Hi and welcome to viewneo. Today I'll show you how to create a playlist, add content, and manage existing playlists. I'll also show you how to change the playback duration of your content and how to activate the sound for your content. First, we select the playlist tab here on the left-hand side. The next step is to create a playlist. We can do this by clicking on the plus and giving the playlist a name. You can then drag and drop all your slides into it. You can then assign the playlist to a device in the next tab. The device shows every slide that is within the playlist. For this example, I will use 2 slides. And just like that, we have created our own playlist, which consists of 2 slides. Nested playlists are also possible by dragging one playlist into the other. By double-clicking on any slide, you can easily set the playback duration and activate audio if, for example, you want the sound to be played for videos or websites. Under Schedule, you also have the option of creating an individual schedule. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.